Good morning from West Palm Beach, Mama Bella Café. A project in the making last year. We came here when this was a construction zone. As you can see, today is the first opening and we're ready to go. Just a few things about what we did here. We set up all the screens, menu boards, custom framing for the menu boards. We added interactive displays for the wine cellars right here to give customers information of a different wine offering presented. You can click on it. This is fully interactive. You can click on the screen and get your favorite wine, the info, purchase cases, drop ship, and things like that. As you can see, the place is gorgeous. Special thank you to Vladimir that allowed us to do this project. We also, by coincidence, helped and consulted on the POS system. Not that it's our main thing, that's something we do all the time, but it's something we helped in this project. As you can see, the place turned out gorgeous. Thank you.